How to set password in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to set password in WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Launch WhatsApp and make sure to sign in to your accounts. Navigate to three dots at top right. Now choose setting option. Tap on privacy option. Scroll down, choose app lock and toggle the button on, and you can easily unlock with biometric or even other unique identifier. So for that you need to make sure to confirm your biometric. This was the one method. The second is simply navigate to settings, scroll down, look for privacy. Now select privacy option and choose app lock and enter your password. Now toggle the button on for app lock and tap the search icon at top right. Type in WhatsApp and turn on the button. And then when you open WhatsApp, you'll be required to enter your password. So in this way, you are successfully set password in WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.